welcome back to my channel. It is me, makeup artist Donaisha, or I go by MUA Donaisha. So here's the thing. I know I always say I'm trying to do better with filming videos. I've been uploading a lot of shorts, you guys. It is almost 1:15 a.m. Thursday morning, and so I'm gonna be doing a vlog. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Gonna be taking you guys with me as I run some errands, get some stuff done. I gotta do my hair, a little bit of everything, okay? So you guys just stay tuned. There's more on the way. I'm about to go and get some sleep. When I get up, we're gonna get going. So I got a lot to do. So you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. Hello to my new subscribers. How you guys? And yeah, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm walking, I'm going to get my hair cut. Why is it that when I got in my car, the temperature was like 104. I was like, what? Okay, it is hot, and it is hot out here, okay? But anyway, so we're used to the heat here in Houston, Texas, but this summer has been brutal. Like, it's been really, 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 really bad. Anyway, so headed to go get this haircut, you guys. It's a mess, and it's much needed, and I'll be back. As you can see, it's processing. Just want to make sure everything is covered. It's already starting to lift, and today is probably going to be a double bleach day. Okay, today is probably going to be a double bleach day, and yeah. And the reason why you see sweat is because I had to oil my parameter and all that kind of stuff first. And had to do that first because I did scratch a little bit. So now I'm about to put my processing cap on for about 30, 45 minutes and let this process. Okay, you guys, so I got a little box of items that I ordered from Ulta. Got this in. So while my hair is processing, and before I get under the dryer, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this really quick. Some of the items that I got, first thing I want to show you guys is the NYX Vivid Brights. It's a matte fluid eyeliner. Okay, I don't know if you see that. I also got these two shades. I got these two shades. The yellow one is called Had Me at Yellow, and then the other one is Blue Thing. So this is what they look like on the eye. And these are matte by NYX, NYC. Then I also got the purple one, which is called Lilac Link. Okay, you guys, so these are the 4 eyeliners that I have. Here, you can see swipes of the matte liners that I got. These colors are really pretty. And thin and fine, and they're matte, so. Okay, the other product that I got was the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I heard these were really good. Facial Radiance Pads, these are good for sensitive skin, and they come with glycolic and lactic acids. Okay. The benefit is to exfoliate, reveal smoother, brighter skin. Okay, this is what it says on here. So I got 2 of these. With a free purchase gift, I got this is Juice Gloss. It's Electrolyte Infused Color Coconut Chill Clear Gloss. So I got that. And then they also gave me a NYX lip liner. This is the shade Total Baller. This is what this color looks like. And it's very smooth and creamy. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I finally got this hair done. It was much needed. So yeah, hair is done after all these hours. And I look a lot different than I did in the beginning. I know I look a lot more cleaned up, polished. If I can just throw on a little bit of face. But yeah, at this point in time, I think it's like 9:30 at night, and just got out the shower, finished this hair, got out the shower, and I'm gonna sit and chill and watch a few shows here in a few minutes. And that's pretty much gonna be it for the night. Thank you guys for tagging along with me. Just kind of want to give you, like, you know, a little day in the life, me during my downtime. And again, I'm gonna start trying to post a few more vlogs more often for you guys when I'm busy and I got something going on. I'll try to post, take you with me, so that way I can post more videos too, along with shorts, so that way, you know, you can see my work before and after and all that kind of stuff. But thank you guys so much for tagging along, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And once again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching and staying along with me all these years. And hello to my new subscribers. So happy that you decided to join. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.